Hello! In front of me I have Motorola Moto E22 and I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot on this phone. First we need to open the settings on our phone. You can do it by swiping up on the screen to open the app menu. After you open the app menu, scroll down, tap on the settings icon, and in settings find the option called network and internet, tap on it, then tap on the hotspot and tethering, and here select the option called Wi-Fi hotspot. Now we can enable or disable the hotspot by tapping on the switch, but before that let's set it up. So we can tap on hotspot name, and here we can change the name of the hotspot. We can tap on security to change the security type. We have couple, we have a WPA free personal, WPA2/WPA free personal, WPA2 personal, and none. If you select none option, you'll have no password on your hotspot, but if you select any of these, you'll have the password protection. Here we have the hotspot password, and we can tap on it to make the password visible or change it like this. And below we have turn off hotspot automatically option, and you can enable it or disable it, and then extend compatibility by enabling and disabling the option by tapping on the switch. And once you've done setting up your hotspot, you can turn it on by tapping on the switch. You will see this icon right here at the top. It means that the hotspot is enabled. And to disable the mode simply, or the hotspot rather, you can tap on the switch again. Also, you can open the quick panel on your phone by swiping down from the top of the screen twice. And on the quick panel, you should see the hotspot icon, and you can tap on it to enable the hotspot and tap on it again to disable it. You can also press and hold on the icon to open the hotspot settings. Okay, and that's how you set up and enable the portable hotspot on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.